लेकिन एक वक्त आता है कि जाहिर है उन्होंने कितना करना है. So this is why we had to build the annex at the back of the house.
हाँ, आप देखिए अपनी औलाद भी तंग आ जाती है.
बिल्कुल
अपनी औलाद कहती है कि अब कब तक हम
करेंगे. हाँ बिल्कुल.
लेकिन अच्छा, आप बताई थी कि आपने फिर एनेक्स ही पीछे बनाई.
बिल्कुल, because they were getting too much for the kids as well. For us, nobody was getting any sleep. Middle of the night, she would want to come out shouting, screaming. तो ज़ाहिर है सबने काम पे जाना है, चीज़ें करनी. So Annexi basically मेरा पहले से idea था, because I knew she was getting older. There would a time would come, dementia or not, she would need somebody 24 hours looking after her. Lekin due to planning permission, we got delayed. So then, alhamdulillah, last year, I think it's been last couple of years have been very stressful, extremely stressful, and you know, it was literally, I didn't know if I was going to survive all of this, and I think the family was falling apart.